Welcome to the Redmond Audio Report for March 26th. I'm your host, Chris Paoli, bringing you the latest news from Redmond Mag. Let's dive into what's happening this week in the world of technology. NVIDIA has just unveiled some impressive AI computing solutions at their GTC conference in San Jose. They've announced the DGX Spark and DGX Station personal AI supercomputers, powered by their new Grace Blackwell platform. CEO Jensen Huang says these tools will help AI developers, researchers, and data scientists prototype and deploy large-scale AI models right from their desktops. The DGX Spark, formerly known as Project Digits, is being called the world's smallest AI supercomputer, offering up to 1,000 trillion operations per second. Meanwhile, the DGX Station is the first desktop system with the GB300 Grace Blackwell Ultra Desktop Superchip, delivering 784 gigabytes of memory. Both systems will be available later this year from partners like Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo. NVIDIA also introduced the RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition and a lineup of RTX Pro Blackwell GPUs for workstations and laptops, aimed at professionals in AI, content creation, and engineering. In security news, Microsoft's monthly update includes patches for 7 zero-day flaws that need immediate attention. 6 of these vulnerabilities already have active attacks in the wild. The most concerning include remote code execution flaws in Microsoft Access, Office, and Windows NTFS. There's also a security bypass issue in the Microsoft Management Console that could allow attackers to take down Windows' built-in safeguards through specially crafted emails or messages. IT teams are urged to apply these patches right away, along with 5 additional critical bulletin items. In regulatory news, the Federal Trade Commission is continuing its investigation into Microsoft's business practices, a probe that began during the Biden administration and is now proceeding under Trump-appointed FTC Chair Andrew Ferguson. The investigation focuses on Microsoft's investment in OpenAI and whether it gives the company an unfair advantage in the AI market. The FTC wants to know why Microsoft cut funding for its own AI projects after investing in OpenAI, and whether Microsoft's cloud software licensing rules make it harder for competitors. Microsoft says they are working cooperatively with the agency, but the investigation could potentially lead to formal charges, though the process may take years. And finally, Google has reached an agreement to acquire cloud security startup Wiz Inc. for a whopping $32 billion in cash. If completed, this would be Google's largest acquisition ever. Google plans to integrate Wiz into Google Cloud to improve security operations and encourage multi-cloud adoption. Wiz has grown rapidly in the cloud security space since 2020, with clients including BMW, Salesforce, and Slack. Interestingly, Google had previously offered $23 billion for the company last July, which was rejected. Wiz CEO Asaf Rappaport says joining Google Cloud is effectively strapping a rocket to our backs, accelerating their innovation faster than they could achieve independently. That's all for this episode of the Redmond Audio Report. I'm Chris Paoli. Thanks for tuning in. Join us next time for more tech and IT news from the editors of Redmond Mag. Until then, stay curious and keep your systems updated.